Welcome to another musket powder cooking hour. Today we'll be sharing the perfect recipe for the big game, our ranch buffalo chicken wings. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and let's kick things off by making our chicken brine. You can find the full list of ingredients and instructions on our website as well. Portion 1 pint and the 1.5 quarts of water separately. And put the 1.5 quarts of water into a fridge or freezer to chill. Heat the remaining pint of water on the stove until simmering and add all brine ingredients. You'll need a 1/2 cup musket powder, red label seasoning, 2 quarts of water, 1 sliced lemon, 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of garlic. Stir until all sugar and salt has dissolved and remove from the stove. Add remaining chilled water to drop the temperature of the mixture. If the mixture is still warm, transfer to the fridge until chilled thoroughly or cool in an ice bath until the temperature of the brine has dropped below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Add chicken wings to a container and cover with the cooled brine. Leave the chicken to brine for 12 hours. Next up, we'll start our buffalo sauce. Add 1 cup of Texas Pete, 1 tablespoon of musket powder, red label, 1 tablespoon of musket powder, white label, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of butter until emulsified. For our white label ranch dressing, mix 1/2 cup of creme fraiche, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon, 3 tablespoons of white label musket powder seasoning, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Whisk. Add salt and pepper to taste and you're done. And add chives for garnish. When you're ready to cook the wings, preheat an oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the wings from the brine and set aside, patting off any moisture that's left on the wings. Line on a wire rack and cook for an initial cook of 45 minutes. After that 45 minutes has elapsed, you can either change the oven temp to 475 degrees until golden brown and crispy, or you can choose to fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, toss in your buffalo sauce and enjoy with our white label ranch. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel for future recipes.